Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll explore the process of adding a watermark to your video directly on YouTube, without the need for any external editors. Let's dive in. Open your YouTube account. Click on the profile icon and navigate to View Your Channel. Click on Customize Channel. Scroll down and click on the customization option. Within this menu, you'll find three choices. Select Branding. Here you can modify or remove your profile. Move to the second option labeled Banner Image. And finally, the third option is Video Watermark. You'll encounter three display time options: at the end of the video, a custom start time, or throughout the entire video. If you've already added a watermark, the system will indicate a Change option. Click on it, choose your watermark, preferably a transparent image or logo. And it will position it in the right-hand corner of the video player. You can preview the placement and then click on Publish to apply the changes.